Have you ever wondered how to trade the footprint chart? If you have, you are in the right place. In this YouTube video, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm looking for in my footprint chart trades. I'm gonna show you the exact strategy I use every day on my live stream. Also, I'm feeling very generous today. If you want the exact same footprint chart template that I use every day to execute my trades, I'm giving it out for free to you motivated users out there. The only thing you have to do is subscribe to the channel and join my Discord server where the template is. Alright, let's get into the charts.
Gentlemen, welcome to Fight Club. The first rule of Fight Club is
spotting those bars where the volume is roaring, where buyers and sellers are really going at it. We're talking about those standout bars that scream there's a fight happening here. Doing this is fairly simple. First, we have to find a bar or a rotation with more than average volume. If you want to make it more simple, you can add a moving average to your volume bars to see when more than the average volume is created, like here. This is how you then can create a Delta Fight Club level. Let's find that bar with more than the average volume. As you can see here, we made a big rotation and created much more volume compared to the other volume bars. Now we have to find the fight in the bar itself. As you can see, we created a small cluster of volume in the end of the bar. This is where the buyers stepped in and fought the sellers and in the end won. This is where we want to draw the level and look for potential long trades in the future.
the second rule of Fight Club is
To analyze the fight to see which side is going to eventually lose. The fight in trading terms is called absorption. Once we come back to our level, we want to see the fight for the second time. Now our job here is to see if the previous winner of the fight is going to win again. Ideally, we would want to see the opposing side take few hard punches and get exhausted. This is what we call in trading exhaustion. To see this exhaustion, we use a tool called cumulative delta. The perfect exhaustion happens when delta moves to the direction of our pre-planned Delta Fight Club trade. But the other side still takes that one last push that eventually fails. That is when we take our entry and bet on the fact that the other side just took a good beating. This bar shows this perfectly. We moved into a Delta Fight Club level that I had previously drawn. This is where sellers previously won, and where we would like to ideally go short again. Then we had a pushback into the zone with a declining delta. When I see a green bar, or in my case a blue one, and delta increases to the opposite direction, is when I take my entry with confidence.
third rule of Fight
Is
Club.
trade management. In Delta Fight Club, this is fairly easy. First, you take the entry here on this bar, right? Because this was where the divergence was. Then, you put your stop loss behind the previous high of the past move. Pretty simple, right? Well, where are we gonna look for our profit targets? This is also very simple. We're gonna look for a scale at least at the next Delta Fight Club level. You can choose the amount yourself. Normally I would take myself 3 out of 5 here at this level and then leave 2 out of 5 for the next one. This just ensures that in case the price does turn here and come back and stop you out, you're not gonna lose as much, or you might even make a little bit of money. This is how it works. Very simple. Hope you can find some good Delta Fight Club trades in the future. Obviously, there's a lot of nuances into this trade that I haven't covered on this video, but if you want to know more, you can watch my live stream or like the video and I might do some future content for you about this particular strategy. Have a great day and I'll see you on my live streams. See ya.